Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you can't see the Call of Duty on your Google Play Store on your OnePlus Nord CE2. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to our Google Play Store, and from here we can already search for Call of Duty, but it's not gonna show right here. To fix that, we'll need to press on our profile picture and then go to the settings. From here select family and go to parental controls. Now disable parental controls, but you'll need to know the PIN. I know mine, so I'm just gonna type it in and then press OK. Now if I go back to the Google Play Store and search for Call of Duty again, I will see it right here and I'll be able to install it normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.